Florence here. We're doing an unboxing this evening of an item that I didn't even know existed until a few days ago. I didn't even know I needed it until a few days ago, but it exists. I need it. Here's the thing we're going to check out. This one is made by Prepworks. It's a guacamole keeper. Wow! So here's the issue, right? You make some guac. You put it in the fridge. Before you do, you pat the saran wrap down, plastic wrap down, all over the top of it to try and keep all the air out, and it still turns brown. Right? We've all had that experience. This thing says it keeps that from happening. The Amazon reviews says it keeps that from happening. I don't know if it keeps it from happening or not, but let's unbox it right now and see what it looks like. This will be part one. And then after I get some guac in there and check it out for a few days, we'll see part two, the results. So we got the box, and here it comes out of the package, nice and neat. This will be the lid. Oh, cool. All right, this is pretty simple, guys. I'm not even going to read the directions. We'll see how this works out. But I think the way that this works is you put your guac in the bowl. That just took me back to Saturday night and the thing you put in a box. We're not going there. Okay, so you put your guac in the bowl. And then you put the lid on and press it down until it meets the level of your guac. So that you squeezed all the air out of it. And this keeps your guac fresh. I don't know if it's true. I don't know if it works. We're going to find out. I'll check back with you in a couple of days after we see how the guac looks. Okay, so this is day two. So I opened this container of guacamole yesterday and put it into the guacamole keeper. And it looks absolutely fantastic fine. So pretty cool. We're going to put it on some toast and have some breakfast. Oh, and did you know you can make toast in an air fryer? Yeah, you absolutely can. That's how I do it. Really super simple, actually. 400 degrees on air fry, typically about 2 minutes per side, but you know, depending on what kind of bread you're using and so forth, it could be different. I really like it actually better than a toaster toast because it comes out nice and crispy. You might want to try that. Even after taking the lid off, you can see there's no signs of browning there at all, and there would be if I was using a conventional keeper. So here's a pro tip that I figured out. Make sure you use both sides of the handle to pull the lid off so it comes up straight. Otherwise it tries to suck back down on one side. I'm pretty excited. Can't wait to see what tomorrow looks like. Okay, here's our day 3 update. I'm really liking this thing. But what you can see is that if you leave any air, it can get a little brown in that area. Very little. But like over here, focus. See, I left an air pocket there, and you can see there's a little bit of brown there. So I'm getting ready to make some avocado toast right now, and when I do, I'm going to make sure that I kind of mush it down with the spatula before I put the lid back on to squeeze out some of those air bubbles myself. But overall, very, very pleased. Okay guys, this is 4-day-old guac right here, and I'm pretty pleased with the way this thing is performing. So the downside that I see is you've really got to kind of wipe the edges pretty carefully, or you're going to get a little bit of dried stuff left over on the top. I need 2 hands to do it. Let me go ahead and get this lid off, and then I'll show you what it looks like, you know, completely uncovered again. Okay, we're getting down near the end of the container, so it's pretty difficult to actually get all of the air squeezed out. You can see a tiny bit of browning there, but for something that's been open for 4 days, I'm pretty happy with this. Let me know what you think. Hope you found this review helpful. If you did, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think.